Now let's just review what we've done in this lecture. We've learned what a vector is, and a unit vector and how to compute them, how to find the direction and the distance between 2 points, how to use the dot product and the cross product to find vectors that are perpendicular and parallel, and how to do the vector math that includes adding and subtracting vectors, doing the dot product and the cross product. We also learned about 3 coordinate system, the Cartesian or rectangular, the cylindrical, and the spherical, and in all 3 of these cases we learned what their different variables were. So for instance, for Cartesian it's x, y, and z. For cylindrical it's r, phi, and z, and for spherical it's r, theta, and phi. We also learned what the different dl, ds, and dv terms represent. When we did an integral, here are the steps that we did. The first thing that we did was define what is changing or what is not changing, and use that to define the dl or the ds term. We decided if it's vector based upon what we're integrating. And that's how we decide, is it going to be dl or is it going to be dl? The next thing that we just did was we plugged it in, and then we integrated, substituted into that integral, so it was a defined integral here, plugged it into the integral, and we got our answer. So those are the important things that you've learned in today's lecture.